I've tried absolutely nothing from this brand before. Nothing. Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you've never seen my face before, hi, hello, my name is Joanne, and I'm really glad that you're here. Okay, today's video is very exciting because we got the large Melt mystery box for Christmas, and we're going to unbox it and put it on our face today. Can we collectively ignore the fact that I dropped one of my balls? Also, I'm slightly sick. I've been blowing my nose for 36 hours straight, so we're gonna ignore the whole situation in the center of my face, if we can. The large mystery box for Melt Cosmetics is $75 and it is heavy. I am so excited to unbox this puppy, see what's inside of it, and try it on our face today. So if that sounds like something you're into, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get into the video. Okay. I think the best way to go about this is just to open it up and just dig our hands in, see what's inside of it. We're going to swatch everything and see what look we can come up with today. I am so excited. I have literally tried nothing from Melt before, so this is going to be a first impressions on literally the entire brand. Okay, so I'm just going to dip my hand into the box, and the first thing that I grab, we're going to talk about, we're going to swatch it, and we're going to move on with the video. Okay, I'm still dripping. Will I ever stop dripping? The very first item is rose gold. It's beautiful. It's called Pink Moon Digital Dust Highlighter. Sleek packaging. I love that so much. Pink Moon. Oh my gosh. So pretty. The embossing is so pretty. I don't want to mess it up. A nice pink highlighter. All right, next we have a Melt Sex Foil Digital Liquid Highlighter. Another highlighter, okay? And this is in the shade called Fetish. Nice packaging. Everything is so nicely packaged. Whoa, does this go under foundation? I'm confused. Nice. It's got a pump. Is everything pink? I don't know. Does this go under my... Okay. Oh, I don't think so. Does that go under my foundation? I don't know. Wow. It's so pretty. Okay, so far we have two highlighters. Golden Hour Cream Blush Light. I'm dripping again. This looks like it's a corally shade. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. I can already tell. Next, Shadow Play Blush Light. Another blush light. Everything is pink. What? Shadow Play Blush Light. That one is confusing. I'm not sure about that one. Next, okay, I grabbed two things and they both look like lipsticks. I have a sample size of the Ultra Matte lipstick in 710. So little. It might be impossible to put makeup on today. I'm not sure. Okay, a little tiny sample. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is literally just called Ultra Matte Lipstick 710. It is brown. Beautiful. I love these brown shades. So we're working with that today. The entire large mystery box costs $75. I will be putting individual prices on the screen as I'm going through each item. It's well worth the $75. I'm just going to tell you that right now. Okay, next is another lipstick, and this is in Catsuit Ultra Matte Lipstick. Packaging is so beautiful. Catsuit, another beautiful brown shade. And the embossing is also on the lipstick. Okay. I love it. Okay, I grabbed a all day, everyday lip liner, and this is in the shade Scandal. Okay, we're not going to be able to use this one today, but it is a beautiful orange red shade. Love that. Okay. Another all day, everyday ultra matte lip liner, and this is in the shade Foxy. This is in the shade Foxy. Ooh. pretty. Okay. Another all day, everyday lip liner. That's 3. That's a lot, isn't it? This is in Headbang, right in the center here. Nice natural nude shade. Headbang. Okay. Is this a joke? Another lip liner. This is in Cinder. Okay, I do not need to buy any more lip liners for the rest of the year. That's a beautiful, just nude pinky rose shade. It's really pretty. Seems like a lot. 4 lip liners for 1 mystery bundle. I don't know. Okay. Perfectionist Lip Pencil. Are you kidding me? That's 5 lip pencils. This is in the shade Caffeine. That's 5 lip pencils. This one you can sharpen though. I like that. It's not as creamy as the other formula and it's more of a brown shade. I prefer the other formula better. Okay, we have 2 more items and I have the Melt Ultra Matte Gel Liner and this is in the shade Cultura. Cultura. Ooh, it's actually a really pretty burnt orange shade. If I can get it open, it looks like that. It kind of looks like poop brown, but I actually think it's really pretty. So we have a gel liner in Cultura. So far it seems a little redundant. Is that just me? Okay, moving on. The last item and the item that I think makes these mystery bundles worth it, I have a palette and it's the Millennial Pink palette. And it looks like this. It's a pretty big palette. Okay, let's quickly swatch this palette out. Rosé Brunch, Pink Leather, Flamingo Dream, Mixed Emotions, Modern Love, Ruby Spar. Ooh, that's beautiful. Pink Noise. I'm just going to say I would not purchase this palette with my own money. Ew, I don't like this palette that much already. Moon Glow. A nice silver shade, but it didn't really show up that well. Moon Glow, GF, and Euphoria. I don't like this. I think these are pretty. These could have been left out, in my opinion. Beautiful, beautiful. So these are the shades that we're going to be using in today's video. Okay, I'm quickly going to do my makeup off camera using all of my Project Pan items and I will be right back. Okay, I have the bulk of my makeup on, just the base stuff. We have so much to try out today. That was a lot of stuff. A lot of lip liners too. I think I'd like to start with just finish my face off. So I'm going to go in with the Golden Hour Cream Blush. Just finish up my face. Oh, so pretty. I already know I'm going to love this stuff so much. Okay, that is Golden Hour Cream Blush Light. Got a lot of blush lights. Okay, for my highlighter, I had to Pink Moon. It's so pretty. Okay, Pink Moon. And let's move on to eyes using the Millennial Pinks palette. I'm going to stick with the lighter pinks. These, I hate that they add these into these palettes. They're so unnecessary in my opinion. I have never used Melt eyeshadows before, but I am going in unprimed just with my foundation on my lids. Just with a big fat brush, I'm going to lay down Pink Leather all over my lid. I should be in bed. And blend. Okay, I'm going to darken up my crease with Flamingo Dream. And blend. have to say, so far, these shades are nothing spectacular. I don't know. I'm not really impressed all that much. They're just like regular eyeshadows, especially for this little palette to normally cost $58. That seems silly to me. I would be so upset if I paid $58 and this is what I got, personally. Maybe this is just not my color story, you know? Okay, I'm going to deepen up the outer corner with Modern Love. I think that they're blending together nicely and they're not getting patchy as I'm adding the deeper shades on top, which is good because I can't say that for every single palette I've tried so far this year. And blend. Okay, and then for the shimmers, I'm going to do a gradient on my lid. So darker to lighter on the outer corner. So first I'm going in with Ruby Star on the outer portion of my eye. Just with my finger, I have no primers on my eye whatsoever. So pretty. Okay, on the very center, I'm going in with Mixed Emotions. Just there. And on the inner corner, Rosé Brunch. On the lower lash line, Modern Love. Mixed in with Pink Leather. Okay, there is the Millennial Pinks palette. I have some thoughts. Let's finish up our lips. I'm going in with the Foxy lip liner, which is the darker of the browns. And I fill in my Cupid's bow. That's just my own personal preference. Okay, that's Foxy on the lips. In with the lipstick. This is Catsuit. A beautiful dark brown shade. Love this. Gosh. Love this. Just to make sure I don't get any on my teeth. Okay, and this is the final look using the majority of everything from this mystery box. I have some thoughts. First and foremost, the Golden Hour Cream Blush Light. I love. I'm obsessed. I will get a ton of use out of this. The pink highlighter in Pink Moon, also love. I will get a lot of use out of this as well. I really, really like pink highlighters. I think this one is so beautiful, blinding, so pretty. Ow. I think the lip combo of Foxy and Catsuit, beautiful. Love these shades. I will get a lot of use out of this. However, I think that 5 lip liners for one mystery box is a little much, especially considering that this one is basically the same color as Foxy. And I don't like these like pencil liners. I think they're a little too rough, especially when you compare them next to these all day, everyday lip liners. I mean, these are so freaking smooth on the lips, and this just feels like you're rubbing glass against your lips. So there's so many lip liners, it's unnecessary, and also I just don't like this form of lip liner. It's really drying on the lips and I don't like it. Now, obviously there were a few items I did not get to try out in today's video. The gel liner, this weird, I'm not sure what this is. Is it a highlighter? It says it's a blush lighter, but where, like, I don't know. This one is a little confusing to me. And also the liquid blush I did not try out. I think I've got enough glow going on. And lastly, my thoughts on the Millennial Pinks palette. I can recreate this look 100 times over in my collection for way less than $58. I don't understand, like, these 3 shades, they could have been left out. That would have been fine. But why? Like, why? This one's like slate blue, gray. This one's black and it's patchy as hell. I can create this look. There's nothing fancy about it. The shimmers actually aren't that shimmery anymore. And it's not worth $58. It's not worth your money. I'm sorry. As far as value for your money when getting the Melt mystery box, I would say yeah. If you don't have a lot of things from Melt already, I think it was really fun, but it was $75. Here is the collective value of everything. And will I get a ton of use out of everything in this box? Probably not. But it was fun to unbox. I'm glad to have some of these in my collection, but others I just wouldn't purchase with my own money, you know? Those are my thoughts on the Melt Cosmetics mystery box from December. I am late to the party, but here I am. I showed up anyways. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. Please give me a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below if you'd like to see more videos from me. And I will see you all in the next one. Bye!